Hello, my sisters. Today, my sisters are a model. Middle-aged wide pants. I think my sister is middle-aged. I'm wearing wide pants right at the ankle. It is wide, so it is comfortable to wear and also respect his form. This dress in the video. In the next clip, I will guide you. Now I will guide my sisters. In front of these pants. 2. We'll sew with this pattern. Linen fabric. Here I will guide my sisters. Elastic trousers. Let me wear it with this shirt. Make it comfortable. It's in the front of the elastic, it's in the back of the elastic, and there is a pouch here. And now we will go into the design part of this template. 2. Yes, with this model. Well, we wear the bottom that's going to be the bottom. And it's going to have an elastic part. Always in here. So we're going to take the lower part. My sister's ass is divided by 4. I added for 5. This year it has. That part is in here, ladies. The elastic part, I already have it. My ass here is 80. Divide by 4 plus 5 and I get 25. Then you'll measure me starting from down here. It's up here. Well, you measure it down to the number 25, and then we build a perpendicular line through it. Then, because of this shirt and pants, it will have a spread on the side. Go outside, so I'll back up. 7 gas ahead of me back here. Then from here you can measure back to me. My ass is divided by 4. You guys give me ba. Now my ass here is 80. If you divide by 4 plus ba, we get to ba. Then from here you put the number to ba here. Then I pull over here and I split it in 2. Then you just started. I'm going to pull this straight up. Here, set up a ruler perpendicular to this angle and pull it straight down. So from here we're going to go to the corner here. You pull straight down. It depends on the height of each person that you'll take this measurement to match. Casual pants will be or cut about 78. 10. Then you will take the length of your pants according to my will. And then I built a straight line. If you get this straight line, you will continue. From here, ladies. Back up is ba gasoline. And then here you put it perpendicular to me. It's always perpendicular, then this part. You also set me straight. And perpendicular up here. Then from here, you'll measure it. Measure down is a gasoline. So let's start here. You just hit me. It can bend the back. And then my spandex back here. Then you'll get me back. That's 3 gallons of gasoline. Let me leave this. I cut. I'll attach the elastic rope here. And these pants, if you go straight down, then it will be here. But my pipe is from here. Out here, ladies, give me 5 gas. So from this gasoline year you will pull. Pull, let me start from. Under this year of gasoline you pull up here. That. I came back here. See? Is that we're going to get the broad part of the thin part. And the tube. On the left you too. Let's make a perpendicular line down. And then you split up. Half this part in half. The outer half, I'll give you to gas. From here I started fighting this part out. And then you're going to come down to this live stream. Back 5 glasses. Then here it goes back to the perpendicular line. Then we'll get the tube part of the pants. That. And then I'll draw the crotch. And I'll have my pocket, ladies. This bag is an expensive bag. Then from right here is the elastic back position. You break the elastic down, ha. If you break it down, it will stay inside. So you remember when we measured it. Let's cut the bag and we'll figure it out. From this part, we calculate raw. Then I'll come out here with gasoline. You put that perpendicular thing in here. 12 fuel for me. And then right around this corner. Right around this corner, you're going to circle. In this position, you will have a. It's spandex here, ladies. It's elastic, so you can take it, and I'll give you 6 bottles. And then take this down deep, remember. Here, we will sew this corner. And I'll start counting from here. We calculate from this elastic spot, we calculate down. Let me just put my hand in. Is by being your hand. I added to more gasoline. We'll get the length of the mouth of the bag. I connected this part here. This part is here. Here it is. If you want to pouch, then you go around like this. Okay, and if you'd like to round the bag here. So we're going to go round here. It's up to you. Then we'll get the bag position. Just remember that this is the location. We're going to fold the elastic back down. Then the bag we're going to put in here is yes. Let's stuff. Then the body is finished. The body before you cut it. There is no seam. Then you also remember the lucky afternoon. And remember this 80 ass. That's 80 ass. Each person will have different measurements. So you're going to change your butt measurement. Come in here. How much do I measure around my ass? For example, replace it with 100. You will get the measurement. It fits the model. And here it is. I will cut. Remember, I cut it without a seam. You have to leave the seams when we put on the cloth. And I drew here, girls. If you like this template, remember to like and support the channel. And if you want to support tutorial, cut this pattern on the cloth. Please also remember to comment, let me know. And here you see that I cut it and I left it. I haven't interrupted. And here I am, cutting this road. And then you cut me off. Please note for me. This live model is a big live model. So that's when you do it. For this pair of pants, it is a hybrid pair. Big sister. Then this hybrid board of mine is all 10 fractions. It also creates a focal point for me when I wear these pants. So you're going to take this as 10. This is 10. And we'll connect. And then here it is. You saved your seams for me to be 1. If you want a quick drink or 5. If you don't have enough fabric. I love to break this road. We're done. We're going to break this road into this position right here. And then you start cutting it for me. Cut me the part. These pants are like that. When we sew up our pants, my line will not be broken. Here, you see the hips when you open them. It will show you this picture. Remember to pay attention to it. And then after I've done the part, I'll put the back on the front. Put it on a piece of paper for me to paint for the back body. You put it up here. Here you see me laying my hips. I put it up like this. It's at the location where we are. Do it for the back, you will. Cross the line for me. Then from here. From the horizontal position here, please give me to gas. And here's where the ass line is. Then you will seal it back. Cross this line. Then from here, you'll get me your ass. Divide by 4 is equal to 80 divided by 4 and you get 20. And then I'll take it from here to here, 20 ha. You're going to get your ass. Divide by 10, 80 divided by 10 equals 8. So you're going to keep going, and this is 8. This is 8, 8, see here. Then after we get it, you can order it. The scoundrel's body. This will be the place where we are. 2. To draw for the bottom of the trousers. Here, you're 2 inches up on your hips. Just step back from here, give me 2 inches. I connected this road in. Then you'll put a ruler in here. I can bend the bottom of my pants. Then you'll get the bottom of your pants. After lying here, then I'll put the ruler. Come in here. Let's make it a perpendicular line. But it still has to lie down, right in the position of the waist of the front body. Then I put it in here perpendicular. You pull it out. Pull out with a piece. That's equal to your ass divided by 4. That's 80 divided by 4, so you divide 20 right here. Then, next, you'll put this back. From here, you too. You're going to rata here. You're going to rata here. Then I'll connect this part. Put this part in. Let's connect this part. Remember to connect it straight. Then the splint. You will do it down here as well. Same as before. This one over here, you're 2 inches. That's 2 inches right around this corner. I'm pushing out 2 inches. And then this bottom, we're going to bend this bottom. Then you will get the part. The back of this pants fat. How much is the previous body? Then the body after us will also take that much. Then we'll cross a line. Let me determine. It's the spandex of the back. There you are, see? And now I'm going to flip the body in front of raw I cut. Here we cut along this road. Cut this way. Similarly, we're going to cut through this side. My sisters, remember to pay attention. I don't have a seam yet. You have to leave the seams in. You can't wear it anywhere without a seam. And then we're done with the back. These are the following trousers, ladies. So this is the front body. Then this is a whole set of models, ha. You will use it for a cut for these wide pants. The bag, you'll take the fold. I cut out this way. This way, this way. And if you want to pouch, then we take it this way. And I wish you success. Thanks and see you all again.